Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with Element 3D and After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and for create this animation we have only solid layer and Element 3D plugin. So let's go to scene setup, and we have 3D models, trees and this graveyard. Let's see. Okay, so let's add textures, and first let's go to presets and open wood texture folder and zoom to 3. So for example, I want to try use this, and let's hold Ctrl, click this for select this model, and go to model and click this icon and change normals, auto normals for better texture. Okay, so click environment and we can change environment here. Let's open basic and let's use this or this, and let's try this. Okay, not bad. And let's go to create and create plane and move to center and click scale, change scale for ground. Okay, click move tool and move to back like this. Okay, and go to click this icon, enable show ambient occlusion for realistic shadows. Okay, so in this time let's back to again model 3 and let's select this model 3. Let's see. Okay, and go to materials and wood. Let's try other texture. Okay, not bad. Let's try this. Okay, not bad. And finally let's use this texture. Okay, nice. So let's select this texture used for this model and select here, go to texture and change normals, auto normals, and select this. Let's see. Okay, and use this texture and this model again use, and again use for this. Go to texture, don't forget to change this auto normals, also this, and use again this texture, change auto normals, and here and this model, and finally last 3D model. Let's use this texture, also change auto normals. Okay, so let's use again this for other trees, and let's use here. Okay, so in this time let's zoom to here and back to stone texture folder, and for example let's use this texture. Okay, nice, not bad. And let's use here this texture, very good, and here and here. Okay, so let's go to these objects and let's use this texture for these graphs. Nice. And this texture here. This is very easy way for add textures, and I will add fog in full skin, but there is doesn't important textures for better quality. And let's back to wood and we'll use for this. Okay, nice. So guys, in this time select this model plane and go to presets, open stone folder, and let's use this gravel texture for ground, and select this plane, go to this icon for open texture, and texture mapping I will use UV, and you will repeat change 20 and this 20. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So let's click OK, and in this time let's create new camera. Right mouse, new, and camera. Don't change any settings, click OK and select this camera. We can control camera movements with these icons. Hold this camera icon and we can use this. I will use C for shortcut, and let's press C and change camera view. Okay, move to here, move to back. Okay, let's select first pose. Let's zoom to more. Okay. Okay, so let's select the solid and open render settings. Open first lighting and click use comms lights. And change light single light and close. Open shadows and click enable. Again close. And ambient occlusion. Click enable and change intensity 10 and close. Then fog, let's enable and change fog like this and color. Click OK. So in this time let's create new light. Right mouse, new, and light, and I will use light type spot. Click OK and select this black solid. Go to again lighting. Let's select here none. Okay, nice. If I click this checkbox for close use comp lights, we can see spotlights, and because use this checkbox. Okay, so select the spotlight and let's open inside light options. Let's change dark blue like moon. Click OK. Let's use blue like this. Okay, so change intensity. Very nice. And change angle. Okay, and open here. Let's change some movements. Let's change first rotation and move to up a little bit and change rotation like this. Okay, that's good. So let's try change light a little bit like this. Okay, very nice. And in this time let's back to light options. Let's change cone phasor. Okay, this is not bad. And close light settings. Select this black solid. Let's click source name for see layer names and select element 3D. Go to fog and change fog color like this. Click OK and let's play some settings and start distance and fog range. Okay, so not bad. And right now let's select this camera. Let's right mouse, go to camera and create orbit null. And for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Collization tool and select this null object. Let's press P and hold Shift press R, open rotation. And let's move to right a little bit like this and change rotation. And make new person keyframe X, Y, and Z rotation. Go to 10 seconds, or let's go to 8 seconds. Press N for select work area, and let's make camera animation. Let's make like this, move to here and move to down a little bit. Okay, and change rotation like this. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time, let's move to up this camera for see full area, and move to right this keyframe here. Let's say again. Okay, looks good. We can add other camera angles for different cinematic views. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.